For more information, please visit our website at DarkCyberetics.com. This is DarkCybernetics, Mathematics for Computer Sciences, area of a square. Follow along with our free course documentation. In this video, we will quickly discuss how to compute the area for a shape called a square. A square has 4 sides. All those 4 sides are even. Suppose all the sides of a square were 5. So we would simply need to raise our side s, or 5, to the power of 2, right? So we could just say that the area is equal to 5. And so we have sides of 5, and we just raise 5 to the power of 2, right? We have 5 here, and a would be equal to, right, 5 squared, which is, okay, so 5 times 5 is what? 25. And for more information, please visit our website at DarkCybernetics.com.